Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to record your screen on your Android phone. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Next, swipe down again to expand all the Quick Settings tiles if needed. Look for the Screen Record or Screen Recorder option, then tap it. Before you start recording, you can choose whether to record device audio, microphone audio, or both. You can also enable the option to show touches on the screen if your phone supports it. Once you're ready, tap Start Recording. After the countdown finishes, everything on your screen will be recorded. When you're done, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the Stop button on the recording notification. Your screen recording will be saved automatically in the Gallery, Photos, or Screen Recordings folder, depending on your device. That's all. You've successfully recorded your screen on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.